Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your original. Duplicate the background layer and hide the copy until needed. Use the Quick Selection or Pen tool to create a clean subject outline. Draw precise paths when edges are complex. Once you have a base selection, open Select and Mask to refine edge detection, set radius small, and apply 1/3px feather for natural blending. These early choices determine how realistic the background repair will look, so take a moment to get the selection right before proceeding. Once your subject is masked, create a new background layer beneath and hide the original background. Use Content-Aware Fill for larger uniform areas, sample nearby texture, and confirm output to new layer. For detailed repairs, switch to the Clone Stamp and Healing Brush with aligned sampling and 50–80% opacity to preserve texture. Make sure to match perspective and scale when cloning. Then adjust global lighting with curves and fine-tune color balance with hue/saturation, so the repaired background reads. To finish, refine the mask edge using a soft brush at 10–40% hardness and low flow to paint subtle transitions. Invert the mask to correct overreach. Zoom to 100% and inspect seams, then add a tiny Gaussian blur or noise to the new layer to match grain. If a repair looks wrong, sample nearby tones with the eyedropper, rerun Content-Aware, fill limited to a smaller area, or use the Clone Stamp to rebuild problematic spots. This targeted troubleshooting usually resolves visible artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.